Hello guys, welcome to Fatuma's channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox my new vacuum cleaner with you guys, and then later I'll cook pilau and kachumbari. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. I hear
This is the hose. I'll connect to the machine from the back.
forgotten, our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes.
This is the extending metal tube.
Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes, so they got old.
This is the manual book.
Smiles they fade because her daughter only visits once a month since she got a family.
This is the brush tool. This is what I'll be using to clean my carpet or clean surfaces in my house.
Look out at the sun, but a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes, they got old.
Finally, I have the vacuum cleaner. I love the color.
People don't stay the same, you know. I just hope.
This is the code to where you have to connect to the power. We have the power button and we have the code rewind button, whereby you press it so that the cord goes back to where it's supposed to be. The cord is very long. I think it's 5 meters.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes, so they got old. Smiles they fade because her daughter only visits once a month since she got a family of her own. It's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. I hear heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told. Seven nights since my hair got cut and dyed. And had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
Oh baby, baby, why you acting this way? I just remember all our days up the interstate, when we were driving down the 408, and you would smile just like the sun that you emulate. Now you mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love. When we were younger, we would talk so late and hear the morning music shine through the golden gates. And now I know you're gonna amputate all of my love that's left for you. I don't wanna say, mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love. I know it's easy when you shut me away. I just can't help but think that one day that love will stay. When you were smiling on the 408, I never thought one day you'd ask me to mitigate. Mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love.
Dripping like gold, you've got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you've got me so wild. I'm out of control. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you've got me so wild. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like
Thank you so much guys for hanging out with me today. To my premium gang, you guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Until next time, bye bye.